How's it going, everyone? Today we're testing out a serious all-in-one roadside rescue tool. It's a 2000 amp car jump starter with built-in air compressor, 20,000 milliamp power bank, and emergency lighting. So I'm pretty excited to take a look at this. But first, let's see what we get in the box. So this is a beefy 9-in-1 emergency power and repair station. Included in the box is your paperwork, some air compressor fittings, including your sports ball needle, your air compressor hose that has a nice braided protective cover, some of the air blower fittings where you can blow up things like pool floats and air mattresses, your jump starter adapter with some nice copper teeth helping you get a good strong connection to the battery, a USB to USB-C charging cable, a short blower hose fitting, and wrapped in a static-proof plastic, the jump starter and power bank itself. On one side you have where the air compressor goes, along with the blower hose fittings, with the bottom having two USB ports and a USB-C port under a rubber flap, with the other side having your jumper cable port, also covered with a rubberized flap. Then you have your LCD screen and the buttons to control it underneath. The flashlight button is located at the top left. The flashlight has 3 different settings, one being a static light, the second being a fast strobe, and the third being a slow strobe, which is great for grabbing people's attention in case of an emergency. The top right button controls the on and off for the blower, with the bottom 3 buttons controlling the compressor. When it comes to its key features, we definitely want to highlight the 2000 amp jump starter. Claims to start up to a 10-liter gas or 8-liter diesel engine. Its safety features like the reverse polarity and short circuit protection, making this a super ideal jump pack to boost off your battery in that time of need. Super easy to get this set up. You just connect the jumper cables to the correct polarity. Red is your positive and the black is the ground. Then you'll see the blinking green and red light stop blinking and turn a solid green. This lets you know it's done properly and is sending voltage to your battery, allowing your car to start when the battery is dead. Talk about a lifesaver. Next best thing is definitely the tire inflator. With the compressor supporting up to 150 psi with automatic shutoff presets that you can program, it makes it great for cars, bikes, and ball inflatables. It even works great checking and keeping the correct pressure in all of your car tires. Once you connect the compressor valve to the valve stem on your tire, you can use the plus and minus to select the correct PSI for your select tires, and will start inflating your tires up until the point of your selected PSI rating. Once it reaches that PSI, it will automatically shut off, so no worries about overfilling your tires, which for myself is something I truly enjoy, the automatic cutoff. I personally like to run a select PSI in my tires, so this feature really comes in handy for myself. There's no second guessing, and you can get the exact amount that you need. Not only does it inflate tires, it can also help you out on those days at the pool. It comes with a hose and different nozzles to inflate blow-up toys, as well as also being able to deflate them. To use this setting, you have an adapter that will go into the inflator or deflator, whichever one that you need to use. For the example, we're going to use the inflator. It goes in and it will have a twist locking system to keep it from coming out. Once you get that locked in, you're able to screw on the hose, giving it a pretty nice seal. Then you have your different adapters that you can choose from, which typically go in different types of pool floats, air mattresses, and other inflatable toys. We found the one that we need, and it also will screw on to the other end of the hose. Once you have that set up, it's as simple as finding out where the valve is on the pool float and turning the unit on, and it will start inflating the pool float. I was pretty surprised at just how quick this little unit would blow up a pool float, but it done an outstanding job. Once you've reached your desired firmness for the float, you can simply turn off the unit, close the valve on the pool float, and you're ready to hit the water. I find this super handy because nobody likes to sit around the pool and blow on floats. It can be exhausting, and this unit will do it just fine without any hassle. And don't forget that you have charging with the 2 USB ports. I find this handy using it with my mobile phone as well as action cameras, making sure I'm always topped off and ready to go. Not to mention, you can use both USB ports at the same time to charge multiple devices. I gave this a shot with my action camera and my phone and it worked perfectly. So if you're looking for the ultimate roadside readiness in one rugged package, this unit is a compelling all-arounder, while also being a great size for storing it in your car and not being in the way. If you'd like to take a look at this jump starter, we have all of our links and details located in the description. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and let us know in the comments how you would use this jump starter. And last but not least, if you'd like more reviews like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button. That is going to wrap it up for this review. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.